Alright folks, I am cruising to my buddy Thomas's house, who has not just one Super 73 bike, he has two Super 73s now, and he's gonna let me ride it today. I've already ridden it once. Go to the upper right hand corner, click on that vlog, and you will see my initial gut reaction to the first time I hopped on one of these incredible electric bikes. It's just out of control. It's out of control. So here we go. We're almost at Thomas's house, and it's just gonna be so fun to like be able to ride two at once. All right, here he is.
This thing's great.
I like the grip. The tire tread is spot on this guy. This is the Super 73-S in, I'll just call it Army Green. I like it, man. Woo! It does good in off-road.
It's fun, huh?
It does good in off-road,
Super fun, yeah. Oh, you're kicking it. You're tearing it up out there.
I was trying not to hit a tree.
Yeah, that could hurt.
You know? Oh, man. In 3 months, have you had any issues with the Super 73? Like any breakdowns or anything? Or how long have you had the Rose, the first one?
I've had the Rose since January.
Since January?
No, February.
Okay, and pretty much no issues?
No issues. Brake squeaking here and there, and then you just adjust it.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of oil on the chain.
Yep.
Wipe it down. Charge the battery.
But
pretty much it.
But like the batteries are good.
Batteries are bomb.
Batteries are good, folks. Like that would worry me the most if I was looking into buying a Super Set. Like how long will the because they are powerful, and when you're throttling all the time, I would think that the battery would wear out over. You know, and I know they.
I think they have something like 1,500 to 2,000 charge.
Okay.
Before they start any issues, like they're rated for something like that. It's in the thousands.
Yeah. Wow.
And I've only charged it maybe 10, 15 times.
Yep.
20 times.
Yep.
So I don't charge it every day. It's like once a week or maybe once every 3 days, depending on how much I'm riding around.